how to get a free upgrade on Air Transat. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can get a free upgrade on Air Transat. So getting a free upgrade on Air Transat, you must know that to get one is not guaranteed, all right, but you can always try. Right, the first way is to check for promotions. Okay, sometimes Air Transat offers promotions or contests that include free upgrades. So keep an eye on their websites, on the email newsletters. So if you're not subscribed to the newsletters, ensure you do that, and keep an eye on the social media channels for any offers. So check out for promotions. Also, if you're a member of the Air Transat Club loyalty program, you might be eligible for complimentary upgrades based on your membership level, accumulated points, and how often you make use of the Air Transat website to book flights. That's the second way. And lastly, you can ask during check-in. So if you want to get a free upgrade on Air Transat, it's always advisable that you do a physical check-in instead of online check-in. So at the physical check-in, you can just easily ask the airline staff if there are available offers in order to be upgraded for free. So after asking, if there is, you'll be informed. If not, you'll also be told. So these are the only ways whereby you can upgrade your account for free on Air Transat. So in order to subscribe to the newsletters that I mentioned earlier, just go down to the last part of the page and then you see the contact information of Air Transat, the different social media platforms as displayed, and then you can see the Air Transat app, you can see Express Transat blog, then you can see newsletter. Click on it, subscribe to the newsletter, and when promos or offers are being advertised, you would get to know. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.